Shrimp and grits. It's a classic Southern comfort dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. Today we're bringing this iconic recipe to your kitchen, and I promise it's easier than you might think. Start by seasoning about a pound of shrimp with Creole seasoning, paprika, about a teaspoon each, Cajun seasoning, about a teaspoon. Give it a good toss, and remember, these seasonings have a lot of salt in it, so don't add additional salt. In the meantime, heat up a pan and fry off your bacon, making sure it's crispy before taking it off, transferring it to a plate. And in the same pan, fry the shrimp on each side, making sure not to overcook it, but also getting color on each side of the shrimp. Throw in a knob of butter just for some extra color and flavor to the shrimp. Toss it, making sure each side is fried evenly. It's important to get each side fried up, but don't over fry your shrimp. They're going to get mushy and ruin the entire dish. Next, transfer the fried shrimp to a plate, and then we can start working on the grits. For the grits, you're going to want about a 1:5 ratio of water to grits. If you add more water or more cream, you're just going to cook it longer till it reaches the consistency that you desire. Not too watery and not too thick. I add about a cup of cream here, and I'm stirring it constantly to make sure there are no lumps in the grits. Add a knob of butter and sprinkle some of that seasoning on top and mix it all in. You want to stir constantly just to make sure there's no lumps. Next, we're going back to that same pan without cleaning it. We're frying about a half a cup of red bell peppers. Once soft, we're adding about a half a cup to a cup of heavy cream. Cooking it down about for 5 minutes. Seasoning again with our Cajun and Creole seasoning. Once the cream cooks down a little, add the shrimp and the bacon to it and mix well. The shrimp should be finishing up cooking now. You wanted it at about 90% and you're finishing it off with 10 more. And now we're finishing off the grits with a big handful of shredded cheese. Mix it all in nicely, and you are ready to plate. See, that was a lot easier than you thought.